Basically, this is Andrew's room. He has all these lights. Why didn't you do your bed?
I did. It's like the messy look.
Oh, okay, okay.
Cozy, like environment
Yeah,
look,
I feel you. Okay. And he has a really chill vibe around here. And basically, this is like the room that we get. It's like shared. So that's that side is the roommates, Andrew's. And yeah, you get like a nice view of an apartment building. You get this desk. You get this like pinboard thingy.
Yeah. You got a dying plant.
Oh, and a dying plant. And yeah, basically this is like the standard room. Each roommate gets like a closet. And we have this little kitchen and this little bathroom, even though it's tiny, but it works. And that is Andrew's room. Now we go see my room. So my room is just 3 doors away from Andrew. Can you open the door, please? Okay. And you get these little cards. And this is my room. You can't see anything. I get the same thing, a kitchen, a closet, and then this is my side of the room. And I get this pinboard, the desk. Okay, thank you, Andrew. We have these plants, and this is my roommate's side. And yeah, we have the same situation. It's the bathroom is pretty standard for everyone. And basically the one really good thing is that we have access right in front of our door to this common room.
This is the common room. Nice comfy chairs. Studying area. Gym. Right near our rooms.
And yeah, these are our rooms, and we have access to the gym and to the common room. And yeah, we pretty much all live in this little corridor. And pretty much that's the tour of Chapter King's Cross.